Hey gang, it's Dr. Christian here. So I just wanted to go over how to do a FLIPGRID and have a nice video tutorial. I'm choosing the landscapes change as our example. You are welcome to do these FLIPGRIDs within the assignment. As you can see, it says record a response and the people's names and pictures will show up here, so you can do it from within the canvas. I personally like to go up and click on the FLIPGRID assignment, which takes me to the FLIPGRID software. So I am doing an initial post. There is someone I could reply to, but I'm going to do my own initial post. So I hit record a response. And the first thing that comes up is I set my camera up. Hey, this is me. You know, if I want to flip it, which I don't know why I would do that. There's some other options and effects here. So let's go ahead and hit record. So it always does a 3, 2, 1. Hey gang, how's it going? Good to see you. Blah, blah, blah. Oh my goodness, I need to pause. And so I can hit pause. Do what I need to do, look up the question, get my notes, you know, the dog comes in and scratches, whatever it is. So I record again and blah, blah, blah. So I'm done. I'm going to hit stop or next. Hey gang, how's it going? So as you can see, the talking, it'll play it back for you. If you want to add some more video, you can. And then you'll hit next on that one. What happens is the very last screenshot or a weird catching moment will get it. This will be the display that shows up when you go to post it. Kind of like, you know, you see this little person down here. I don't want to do that. So I have 3 choices. I can select a specific frame. Maybe that frame works good. Or I could take a selfie at the moment. Hey. Or, which I don't, you know, forget that one. I'm going to hit confirm. Or my favorite is I like to upload a photo of maybe me and my dog, me and my mom, you know, so hi, there's Pamela and her mom, and that'll be me. And when I'm done, I hit confirm. Now here's the part where a lot of students keep forgetting to do it correctly. The display name will auto-generate based on what you signed in with. If you did Gmail, maybe you're on your parents' computer or you share a computer, it could be a crazy name. So I'm going to go ahead and put the doctor part here. Dr. Pamela C. So I can change that. I please encourage you to do so. For a lot of you, this is where you like to put the title of the assignment. That's not where the title of the assignment goes. The title of the assignment, that goes here. So for example, if this is the intro, you can do that. If you want to call it the 2 truths and a lie, you can do that as well. Or for example, this one is landscapes change. And so according to the instructions, I'm supposed to tell you what I'm talking about. So I might talk about Thailand. That's what I chose to talk about. And of course, spelling would be helpful. The other thing is optional sometimes, but some assignments it's required. You're going to put your link in there. So for me, I have a YouTube video that was relevant to this assignment. Maybe I want you to get to know me, have some insights, and I can put a link there. If it's not required, you get bonus points. If it is required, you lose points. So please make time to do these 3 steps. All right, this is what you would call quality control, taking care of business, if you will. So if you have any issues and need to go back and check it, now is your time, and you can hit submit. Takes a few moments to upload, and voila, there's what it's going to look like. If you want to download the video for your computer for later, maybe you really liked what you shared, if you like the cover image that happened to be taken, all of that can be done now. Sometimes I do this just in case there's an issue. If I'm new to this and I'm not sure it's going to work out right, you can download the video. You can always add a new cover image, but you can't redo the video. So downloading the video will allow you to delete something that messed up with and then upload it again. Maybe you didn't do the 3 parts you were asked to do, and you can put a new post but with the old video. Hopefully that makes sense. So I'm going to hit done, and then what you'll see is I'm already populated. So look, Pamela made 2 posts. She wasn't supposed to do 2 posts, especially if they're the original post. So now it comes back later on in the week, I come and I'm doing a reply. And so I look to see all the different people, and I'm going to click on that one. Looks pretty good. Hey, how's it going? So I would listen to the post. If this is the one I'm going to do, hey, notice there's the title of the post, which is not part of the person's name. And here's the link that they could go to and see. I did create an old 70s group. If you like it, maybe you just want to hit likes because you watched somebody's, you didn't necessarily reply to them. If this is the person that you're going to reply to, and by the way, you'll notice that I hit pause on that. Sometimes I do that because it may, when you think you're about to record to this person, it might take you and do something else. It's very strange sometimes. It might show you the next person that you end up commenting on, or it makes a new response. So just kind of be cautious. You can always pause it, get yourself together and say, okay, here's the person I'm going to reply to. So I'm going to add a video comment. And same exact procedure. I hit record. It says 3, 2, 1. I say, hey, Jonathan, it's Pamela. How you doing? I really liked blah, blah, blah. I can pause if my dog comes in or some barking. I can play again. And then when I'm done, I hit next. I say, hey, Jonathan. Check it out. It looks good. And then same 3 parts. So this would be my reply, 1, or reply to so-and-so. I would get a new picture, always check to make sure that's going to be crazy looking. And then again, if you want to put a link, because remember, we're building learning communities. Usually the replies don't require a link. The post might require the link, but it's always cool to build a relationship with people. That is so hard to do when we're online. So anyway, this is how you do a good quality post. That and the fact that you don't do a 5-second response. Yes, you can answer these prompts sometimes very quickly, but I invite you to elaborate and get to know yourself. I've taken far too long for a video. Some of you guys don't want to do 6-minute video. Anyway, that's how you do it. Welcome to the class, and let me know if I can help.